asuntosyköyhtiö Tohvelan Lehto.
Today on the 11th of April, here in Turenki, Janakkala, Finland.
Yeah.
For first go to modernized, services 631. Like I have pictures. Because these 4 persons, there's 4 grams. Strange.
Is Great Bike Events maintained by Kone.
Oh, like the sensor smell, huh?
Same here.
This is likely to be the beginning of 1990 because that it has the older doorknobs here.
Yeah.
But you can also check if it's finished in 1990.
Yeah. That's